This video demonstrates how to import and map your cardholder data using an Excel file. We begin this video on the landing page, the unit dashboard. To import an Excel file, we need to navigate to the Data Manager. Click Data Manager to open the Data Management section in CardsOnline. Click Records to view and manage your data records. Since there is no data available, we will proceed to import data. Click Import Data to begin importing new records into the system. Click here to select the file you want to import. You can also drag and drop the Excel file here. Click First row contains column names to ensure proper mapping of your data columns. Click the No Mapping drop-down to start mapping the columns from your Excel file to the corresponding columns in your CardsOnline unit. Click Index to map the index column to the ID number column from your file. Do the same for the first name column. Click First Name to assign the first name field. Do this for all the columns you want to import into this unit. Click Birth Date to map the date of birth column. Choose the date format used in your Excel file to ensure accurate import of birth dates. Set the date format. In this case it is month, day, and then year. Click Choose Format to select the appropriate data format for import. Click Start Import to initiate the data import operation. Click Go to Data Manager to view your imported records and manage data.